day, beautiful people. This is Pearl Hong, and now we have a question. Why encouragement and positivity is important in your life? Of course, because always remember, what you send out comes back to you. You shape your whole life. You shape it by your words. Sabi nga, words or spelling. Anong nakalagay doon? Spell. Ibig sabihin, you can cast a spell by your words. Diba? May sinasabi na abracadabra. Diba? It's the magic of your words. Because I do believe that if you share positivity, it goes back to you. If you share encouragement, it goes back to you. Imagine shaping your environment with a lot of encouragement. Halimbawa, may taong, ay, hindi ako nakuha yung goal ko. Tapos sasabihin mo, ay, ganun ba? Kawawa ka naman. Kawawa tayo lahat. Ganun yung mangyayari. Sabi, huwag ka na lang mag-goal. Mahirap yan. Huwag ka na lang yumaman. Hindi bagay sa'yo. Diba? Mukha mo. Diba? Pag gaganunin mo, definitely that kind of environment will be your environment. But if you speak encouragement, no, ay, hindi ko nakuha yung goal ko. Ano ka ba? Kaya mo yan. Diba? Lahat ng bagay may purpose. Diba? Lahat baka may tinuturo lang sa'yo na lesson para makuha mo yung goal mo. So if that will become your environment, when the time comes that you need that kind of encouragement, it will come back to you. Because I do believe that somehow, so what energy are you exchanging to your surroundings? So just speak encouragement all the time. Kasi darating ang point, ikaw ang a-advisean yan. Always speak positivity. Why? If you speak it and a lot of people hears it, anong vibe ang meron sila? Wow! Ang galing. Wow! I have this life. Wow! Ang ganda pala. I'm appreciated. Wow! Ito yung nangyayari sa akin. Oh, magaling pala ako. If that is the feelings of the people around you, definitely, ikaw na yung next sa feelings na yon. Kasi nakakahawa ang vibes, ang feelings. Katulad ng tinapay. Pag nag-grocery ka, di ba hinihiwala yung tinapay sa sabon? Bakit? Kasi pag pinagsama mo yung tinapay, kahit may plastic ha, nilagyan mo ng sabon. I-overnight mo, kinabukasan, anong lasa ng tinapay? Sabon. It's because meron niyang energy, nagsasama sila. Eh kung yung paligid mo ay sasabihan mo ng positivity, encouragement, congratulations. Ngayon palang kino-congratulate kita. And I want to thank you if you are one of those encouragers in the world because the world needs more of that. I want to thank you kasi grabe yung nabibigay mo sa mga taong hope sa buhay nila, inspiration. Nalilet mo silang mag-transform pa into a better them para sa mas magandang future. So again, you can shape your life with positivity and encouragement. And ito din, paano naman, Pearl Hong, kapag merong akong kaibigan na may problema, tapos kailangan daw ako ng shoulder to cry on. Di ba uso yan? Yung mga, sige beshi, ilabas mo lang, iiyak mo lang. Isang iyakan lang yan. Pagkatapos ng isang iyak, wala na yan. Huwag kayong maniwala doon. Minsan, kahit anong iyak, kung hindi na-resolve at hindi na-twist yung situation into something that you need to be grateful about, no healing will happen kapag gaganon. So, kapag kailangan ka ng shoulder to cry on, always remember na hindi mo lang kailangan sabihin, sige, ano pang problema mo, ilabas mo na. Kasi pag nilabas mo yan, mawawala yan, hindi yung totoo. Kasi yun yung sasabihin niya eh. At yun yung magmamagnify sa kanya. So if someone needs a shoulder to cry on, what should you do? You just need to let them know that it happens for them, it's a gift. They need to accept and learn from it for them to be a better individual in this world. So speak positivity and encouragement and be that someone who brings light. May mga tao din na tamang advice. Yung mga, oh, beshi, sige, iyak mo pa. May advice ako sa'yo, ganito. Diba? Pero actually, that's why speak positivity and encouragement to people. And you know what? When you speak positivity and encouragement, it's your way to send gift to people. Gifts are not material things alone, but it could be love, appreciation, encouragement, positive words. That could be the gift that you can give to people. Again, it's free. Why not? Spread positivity. This is Pearl Hong sending you love and light.